The first question, the answer is plus I effect is shown by methyl group. It shows plus I effect. These two groups show minus I and plus R effects. Nitro group shows minus I and minus R effect. Which of the following is most acidic? And we know that aromatic alcohols, all these are alcohols. The first one is aliphatic alcohol. These three are aromatic alcohols. And we know that aromatic alcohols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohols, isn't it? And among the aromatic alcohols, the one with electron withdrawing group is most acidic. Here, this is simple aromatic alcohol, phenol. And this is aromatic alcohol with electron releasing group. And this is aromatic alcohol with electron withdrawing group. So the releasing group pushes electrons into the ring, that thereby it strengthens the OH bond. So the loss of H plus becomes little more difficult than phenol. So this is less acidic than phenol. But with this nitro group withdraws electrons from the ring and weakens the OH bond. So nitro group is electron withdrawing group with orthonitrophenol with electron withdrawing group is more acidic. Then highest electrical conductivity. See, we know that electrical conductivity of an aqueous solution depends on the number of ions produced in solution. So more this acetic acid is a weak acid. So it will partially dissociate in aqueous solution. But the degree of dissociation, meaning the more the degree of dissociation, more the number of ions will be produced that are produced in solution. So difluoroacetic acid, due to the presence of two electron withdrawing groups on the alpha carbon, this is the most acidic, because in fluoroacetic acid there is only one electron withdrawing group. In fluoroacetic acid, when you compare fluorine and chlorine, chlorine is less electronegative than fluorine. So its tendency to pull electrons will be lesser than fluorine. So when we compare, so these two we need not take into consideration at all. But when we compare these two, due to the presence of more number of the most electron withdrawing group, most acidic. So most acidic means more number of ions it will produce in solution. So highest will be the electrical conductivity of the first solution. Understood? Copy down. Ready, acha?